Hey everyone, good morning. Dennis K here with Belize Islands Real Estate. Hope everyone is doing well today. Hey, listen, I have a special request in this video. Um, February 4th is our 28th wedding anniversary. And this is a picture here of when we got married. We were married at the Four Seasons Ocean Grand back on February 4th, 1993. So it's been 28 awesome years. And, I'm looking for some ideas. From my viewers on how I can make this anniversary coming up the best anniversary ever. I know it's a pretty big order to fill because our anniversaries are always pretty spectacular. But with COVID-19, right now we're not able to travel like we normally would do. Normally we would take a major trip somewhere in the world, explore a new country we haven't been to, maybe go out to a blowout Michelin three-star restaurant or something like that. But I'm just at a loss for ideas on what I can do for Steph to make it really, really special. So if you would send me an email with some thoughts, comments, suggestions, just something that would be fun, different, memorable, and I would really appreciate that. One of the things that we really found interesting when we moved to Belize. First of all, we've always had an incredible marriage. We've always been close, loved spending time together. But when we moved to Belize, we had more time to spend together. And that was really nice. I didn't have a normal 9 to 5 job anymore. So, of course, I was still working. I would still be out of the house, but I worked on my own schedule. And this is one of the benefits, you guys who realize this, is when you break away from the typical 9 to 5 lifestyle that you may be living now in the US, Canada, or Europe, and you explore alternative ways of making money, maybe becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, is that being in control of your own schedule, your own future, your own destiny, you really have time to double down on spending time, making memories with loved ones, family, and friends. And many of you are looking to explore getting married or celebrating anniversaries in Belize. So just check out this website. It's the BelizeWeddings.com website, and this is the Sandy Point resorts that really specialize in Ambergris Caye on helping people to start their new chapter of their lives, their marriages off to a great start, getting married on the beach. The Caribbean Sea is there, the reef, the wind is blowing. It's absolutely beautiful. And so these resorts are just a fantastic place to spend time either on an anniversary or on your honeymoon or getting married. So check out this website. It'll absolutely give you some creative ideas on how to get the spark, keep the spark, and keep your loved ones ever more closer. So anyway, do me a favor. Again, it's our anniversary coming up February 4th. So if you want to send Steph a little message, Steph and I a little message, comment below. She doesn't always watch these videos because she knows Belize, right? I mean, it's our job, so she doesn't always watch these videos. But if you have something really creative that I can do to make this special, send me an email. I'll put my email down below, and maybe just wish her a happy anniversary or something like that, and just let me know what your thoughts are on how I can make this really special. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in Belize soon.